He believed he was finally moving forward. But then the first failure hit. And this is where most people quit. Because when you're broke, stressed, and running out of time, it's not the bills that destroy you. It's doubt. Doubt tells you it's too late. Doubt tells you you're not smart enough. Doubt tells you you don't have what it takes. And Alex almost listened, but instead of giving up, he made one decision that changed everything. He used AI to build a faceless YouTube channel with zero money and zero experience. And what happened after he uploaded his first video proved something powerful. Faith isn't believing after results. Faith is believing before results show up. Alex woke up the next morning with something he hadn't felt in a long time: momentum. Not success, not money, momentum. He looked at the book on the table and thought, maybe this is my way out. Then his phone buzzed. Rent reminder, late fees, final notice. The fire inside him flared up again. Alex sat down, opened his laptop, and started typing. He sent messages to suppliers. He researched product ideas. He built rough drafts and sketches. For a few hours, he almost forgot he was broke. Then reality hit. A response came back from one supplier. Minimum order quantity, 5,000 units. Alex stared at the screen. 5,000 units? He didn't even have money for groceries. Another supplier replied, upfront payment required. Alex leaned back, his chest tightened. Then another response, lead time, 90 days. Alex rubbed his face. The spark that felt so strong last night started getting buried under math and reality. And then the thought crept in. Maybe this dream is too big for me. Maybe I'm not built for this. Maybe I'm just another person who got excited and then failed again. Alex slammed the laptop shut. He stood up and paced the room like a trapped animal. He looked at the eviction notice again. 7 days, and suddenly, the fear got louder than the dream. He whispered the truth no one wants to admit. What if I can't do this? That's when he opened the book again. His eyes landed on a sentence that felt like it was written directly to him. Faith is the state of mind which may be induced by affirmation or repeated instructions to the subconscious mind. Alex read it twice. Then he stared at the ceiling. Faith wasn't hoping. Faith wasn't pretending life was easy. Faith was training your mind to believe, even when you don't have proof yet. Alex sat back down, and that's when he saw something on his laptop screen. A tab still open from last night. It was something he searched without even thinking. How to make money online with no money. Alex almost laughed. Then he clicked another suggestion under it. Faceless YouTube channel using AI. He froze. He'd seen them before. Channels with no face, no camera, no fancy setup, just voice, story, value. Alex's heartbeat picked up. He clicked, and video after video popped up. People using AI to write scripts, AI to generate voiceovers, AI to create thumbnails, AI to build a channel from nothing. Alex whispered, wait, so I don't need money. I need leverage. And AI was leverage. The fear tried to interrupt again. But you've never done YouTube. You don't know what you're doing. You don't have a mic. You don't have a camera. Alex stared at the eviction notice, then looked back at the screen and made a decision. He didn't need perfect. He needed progress. Alex opened an AI chat and typed, "Help me create a faceless YouTube channel about making money and building wealth from nothing." The AI responded instantly with ideas, channel names, video topics, thumbnail concepts, script outlines. Alex leaned closer. He felt something shift inside him again. It wasn't excitement, it was certainty. Because the gap between him and success just got smaller. Alex typed again, "Write me a powerful first video script about rock bottom turning into success." The words appeared on the screen like magic. Alex's eyes widened. He whispered, This is insane. Then he typed, "Turn this into a dramatic, motivational story." The script got better, sharper, more emotional, more powerful. Alex sat there stunned. For the first time, he wasn't stuck. He was creating. Then he hit the next problem. He needed a voice. Alex typed, "How do I do a voiceover with no microphone?" The AI suggested a free option, text-to-speech, faceless narration. Alex tried it. The voice played back. It sounded clean, not perfect, but strong. Alex nodded slowly. Then came the thumbnail. He typed, "Create a thumbnail concept that makes people click." The AI gave him a design, dark background, blue and green glow, big bold words. Alex built it using simple tools. He kept it clean, no clutter, just emotion and curiosity. Rock bottom. Then this. Alex stared at the screen. For the first time in months, he smiled because he had something real. Not a dream, a product, a video, a channel. Alex created a channel name, AI Faceless Fortune. He uploaded the video, and his finger hovered over the publish button. This was the moment where most people stop. They overthink, they wait, they prepare. But Alex remembered the principle. Faith happens before proof. So he clicked publish. The video went live. Alex sat there watching the screen like it was a heartbeat monitor. 0 views. He refreshed. 0 views. He refreshed again. Still 0. The old fear laughed in his mind. Told you. Nobody cares. Alex clenched his jaw. He stared at the screen and whispered, "No, I'm not doing that today." Minutes passed. Then, 1 view. Alex blinked like he imagined it. Then, 2 views. Then, 5. Alex's chest tightened, but not from fear, from disbelief. He whispered, "It's working." Then the views stopped, and the doubt came back instantly. "See? It's done. That's all you get. You're not built for this." Alex sat back. He looked at his hands. He was shaking. Not because he was weak, but because he cared. Because this mattered. Then his phone buzzed. A notification, a comment. Alex clicked it and read the words that made everything go quiet. "This is exactly what I needed today." Alex stared at that comment for a long time. Then he whispered something that changed him. "If I can help one person, I can help thousands. And if I can help thousands, I can build a real life." That one comment became proof. Not that he was rich, but that he was finally on the path. And that's what faith really is. Faith is believing your future is real before it becomes visible. Alex closed the laptop, looked at the eviction notice again. And for the first time, it didn't feel like a death sentence. It felt like a deadline, a challenge, a clock that would force him to become somebody new. But Alex didn't know what was coming next. Because now that he started, he had to stay consistent. And consistency is where dreams get tested. Next episode, Alex is going to face the most dangerous enemy of all, his own mind, the negative voice, the self-doubt, the old identity that tries to pull him back into the same life. And he's about to learn the next principle, auto-suggestion, how to program your subconscious. So quitting isn't even an option anymore, because in episode 3, Alex is going to get hit with a wave of hate comments and one message that almost destroys him. If he can't control his mind, he'll lose everything he just started. If you're watching this and you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You don't need perfect. You need faith. Faith to start before you feel ready. Faith to post when you're scared. Faith to believe you can win, even when your life looks like loss. Remember, the only way you fail is if you quit. So never give up. I believe in you. See you at the top.